Collarbones, also known as beauty bones, have largely been associated with thinness and by extension attractiveness. We have watched photo shoots with female models, ramp walks in the fashion industry, and films on television, and sometimes even celebrities on the Instagram. They too feed the idea that collarbones are beautiful while invisibling the reason for it. They have become a part of an aesthetic that is normalized. Resultantly, women often imitate these media representations in their pictures at home. While some women have naturally prominent collarbones, but many don't have. In this video, we are going to share you the best collarbone exercise that will tone and strengthen the muscle in your collarbone area and make your beauty bone pop up. Number 1. Shoulder shrug. One of the best collarbone exercise that helps improve your posture by targeting your trapezius and neck muscles. Get a more defined beauty bone and say goodbye to neck pain with shoulder shrugs. How to perform shoulder shrug? Stand erect with your feet shoulder width apart. Let your hands be by your sides with your palms facing your thighs. Engaging your core, inhale and lift your shoulders towards your ears as high as you can. Hold the shrug at the top position for a few seconds and feel the contraction in your trapezius muscles. Exhale as you slowly lower your shoulders back down to the starting position in a controlled manner. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Number 2. Standing dumbbell shoulder press. Shoulder press helps strengthen your deltoids and improve your posture and are thus an excellent exercise to show collarbone. How to do this exercise? Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Begin by holding one dumbbell in each hand with an overhand grip just above the sides of your head as shown in the video. Your upper arm should be parallel to the floor and at right angles to your forearms. Engaging your core, push the dumbbells up above your head. Pause for a second and then return to the starting position. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times. Number 3. Shoulder blade squeeze. This collarbone exercise at home helps to open up your chest muscles and get rid of rounded shoulders. Sit on the mat with your elbows by your sides and your shoulders relaxed. Now squeeze your shoulder blades together as much as you can. Imagine trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold the squeeze for a few seconds and then release. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. We hope you now understand that there is no way to magically reduce neck fat and have a collarbone like your favorite celebrity. The key is to focus on exercise that tone and strengthen the muscles surrounding the collarbone and improve your posture that in turn could result in a more visible beauty bone. Try this collarbone exercise now and gain the confidence to pull off that off-shoulder dress.